master food artist, and I'm Darlene Loves, your host. And today we are going to make a cherry chocolate smoothie. This is going to be like a shake for breakfast. It is healthy, nutritious, and delicious. Now, I've been a vegan for over 22 years and eating a raw food diet, well, 99.9% raw for the past 16 years. And what I've discovered is that you don't have to compromise flavor and texture and aroma for health. So you can have both. I'm an and person, not an or person, and I have a recipe today for you that is going to satisfy your palate so that you can bring out the best in your day, in your life. Now, because I have been experimenting and eating foods and teaching people how to create recipes for years, for 20 years now, what I have discovered is that the best food comes when you're enjoying yourself in the process. When you are becoming so involved, your personality just shines within your food. So if you want to make your food sparkle, if you want to have food that everybody wants to crave, they don't even want to go out to eat because this food is so delicious, then keep watching. Let's get started on this cherry chocolate shake or smoothie for breakfast. The first thing you want to do is get a high-powered blender. A really great one, my favorite, is the Vitamix. Next, you're going to want some really ripe bananas. Make sure your bananas are spotted and they smell like that banana smell. Next, take one ripe banana that isn't frozen and peel it and put it in your blender. Second, put the frozen cherries, or you can pit cherries. I love to get the frozen cherries at Costco and put a cup of those in your blender. Next, leafy greens. I love leafy greens. Please put a cup or two of leafy greens and a stalk of celery, which is my favorite. Then you're going to add 4 frozen bananas. A great way to use up those ripe bananas is to freeze them for later for your smoothies. Now let's add the flavoring. I like to use Carob powder. You can feel free to use chocolate powder. It's up to you. Now to give it that really rich chocolatey flavor, I love to use chocolate stevia and vanilla stevia. Those are my go-to things, and you can use them or not. It's up to you. Now we have all the ingredients in the blender. Let's go to town and blend away. Now with Vitamix, this is going to be a simple task. If you don't have a Vitamix, you're going to have to possibly start and stop and add more water to get it to blend smooth. Wow, look at this final, yummy, thick and creamy chocolate cherry smoothie. These are my favorites. I've been addicted to them forever. I love smoothies. I think it's a great way to get some calories in your body and start your day so you have less food cravings throughout the day. Now, once we have that smoothie ready, now eat it, enjoy it. You can take it with you, you can freeze it so you can take it the next day, you can make it the night before. I make 2 smoothies in the morning, 2 of different flavors, and then I take them with me on the road when I'm working. So it's really, really delicious and easy to do. Thank you for joining me here for the Master Food Artist. Now, if you love this smoothie and you love spending time with me, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe and hit the bell because I create weekly recipes to inspire you, to bring out the best in you so that you can be nutrient rich. So you can go out in your life and you can love vegetables and you can love fruits again. I'll see you next week. I loves you.